part of holistic lifestyle. What exactly the subject today is the part of holistic lifestyle, friends. Welcome all of you again. So the holistic lifestyle today. So we are going to understand about the kashayas, decoctions, and so many other diseases it will cure. What is kashaya, friends? You all know about the so little bit, So most of us definitely know the kashaya or decoction because it has been in the practice for thousands of years. In our India, ancient India. It is not now. It's not the recent addition or recent invention or discovery. It has been in the culture, or Indian culture, or Hindu culture for a quite long time. Our parents and forefathers, everybody started, keep on doing this, so-called kashayas or decoctions. It's not nothing new for us, isn't it? So what happens is, friends, these kashayas and so-called decoctions are our ancient practices, and the so-called tea and coffee are the latest practices which has come through British people when they come to the ruling of India. So in that duration, they have taught us this coffee and tea methods. Otherwise, we were not knowing at all. But very bad practices, we have took it, we have learned it, and we have kept it to implementation. That is why so many people are getting into unnecessary diseases because of tea and coffee. The tea contains some kind of a toxin element, and coffee contains nicotine. That's also toxic content. So what not? Not only that, so the whatever the items we are using in the tea, coffee, all that A1 milk is also very bad, isn't it? So likewise, friend, and also sugar. We add the sugar, that's a white sugar, that is a slow poison. That is also very bad. So likewise, friends, what is happening here when you observe really? So these bad practices has to be foregone. Then what has to be done? Go and connect again to our ancient practices. Start taking up the ancient practices. Get into the kashayas, isn't it? If you practice these kashayas for a long time, friends, you'll have the best results. Let me tell you, you have the wonderful results. Even if you have any disease, for example, you start practicing. So I'm going to explain through the PPT what are the various kashayas, what are the various diseases or ailments it will be cured. So that I'll show you. So if you practice any particular kashaya continuously for quite long time, the disease will be disappeared without help of any medicine, without help of any medicine from any doctor. It will be cured also. So that is the power of these kashayas. Not only that. So friends, these kashayas or decoctions is going to rise up, is going to boost up your own memory power. That also keep, remember that your own basically the boost the immunity power. So when they boost the immunity power, what will happen? Or your vital force, so-called vital force within your body, your energy body, basically. So it will rise up. When it is raised up, what happens? You can cure any disease. So doesn't matter that which disease you got it. It will be cured automatically, right? So let's understand, friends, today. So few of the kashayas I'm going to show you. So not that all is covered. There are many more kashayas are there than what you are showing here. So let's go through some of the kashayas today, right? Yes, friends, see here. So now today, so we will try to learn what are the ingredients of making a decoction. The ingredients are herbs along with the water to be boiled on the stove. Basically, what we have to do, we have to take one vessel, put two to three glasses of water, and nicely boil it on the stove, isn't it? Then finally, what you have to do is you also need to add that leaves, basically the herbal, whatever the herbal leaves. We suppose tulsi, for example. So tulsi leaves have to be added. Maybe how many? 20 leaves, for example. 20 leaves you take, nicely wash with the water, then add into this boiling water. Boiling is going on, just add it. And then let it boil for 5 minutes, only 5 minutes. Then just take it out of the stove and let it cool down now. Let it cool down a little bit. Then what you do, filter it. Then once you filter it, whatever that after the filtration, whatever the content is available, the water content is available, that is that itself is a kashaya or decoction. So that's how we need to prepare, right? With any of the leaves, whatever it may be, whatever available locally around your area. Okay, every leaf Every substance has got the greatest value. In fact, the substances or ingredients available within your own kitchen, they themselves, very powerful things, my dear friends. That is why now let's understand. So, and also, friends, never add milk to this kashaya. Don't do that. But there is one kashaya, sunti kashaya, dried ginger kashaya we used to take for a cold and all. There we may add little, milk, but A to milk. If you add it, so it has got its own benefits. Okay, so you can do that. Otherwise, never add the milk to the any kashaya. Now let's understand some of the kashayas here. Cough, friends. If you get a cough, what you need to do? You need to add equal amount of dried ginger, pepper, long pepper, and make a decoction and consume 2 times a day, empty stomach. It's going to cure your cough, basically. For fever, tulsi kashaya is the best, isn't it? For cold, what happened? Turmeric kashaya, turmeric decoction. Add the turmeric and make a decoction. Asthma, dried ginger, pepper, long pepper. Add equal amounts equal amounts to make a decoction. That is 2 times a day you have to do. And to prevent the excessive urination. So then what you need to do? Cumin decoction. So if at all somebody is suffering from excessive urination, so take the cumin decoction to ease the urination. Somebody is not getting urine at all, then cinnamon, clove decoction. Okay, and for getting good digestion, ajivana, kalu decoction. That's also very good. For blood purification, what you need to do? So avija kashaya, that is coriander seeds. So coriander seeds. So take the coriander seeds and make a kashaya. So that is going to be wonderfully working for blood purification. This you can keep taking, every weekly, twice, thrice also you can do it, right? So for skin disease relief, tulsi decoction again, chikungunya, amrita belly decoction, improve memory, decoction of cardamom seeds, okay, and throat problem, black pepper decoction, for dizziness, garlic kashaya. See here, how many kashayas are there? Every kashaya will work wonderfully on your physical body, friends. So we have to learn everything and we have to keep remembering. Then, so you keep referring this, PDF or a video. So try to practice these things in your home. Definitely, you will get a benefit, no doubt. You will come out of the certain diseases what is mentioned here.